one jacket down. For now, like a black P-Tech. A little haul of what I got. Guys, we are going to Japan for the very first time ever. From vintage designer bag shopping to streetwear brands to food to matcha, Japan has it all. I'm so excited, and for the first time ever, I'm going to be pre-planning my outfits because there's so many things to do in Japan that my outfit is the last thing I want to worry about. And let me tell you guys, everyone's fashion in Japan is crazy. So subscribe for more Tokyo and Japan content. But for now, let's go pack our bags because I haven't yet, and we leave tomorrow. I just keep telling myself I'm gonna pack today, and then I just push it over and I don't have the energy. So now we need to make the energy no matter what. Okay, let's go. So first things first, shoes. So I'm for sure bringing these bad boys. They're just so stained, and I have tried to clean them. I cleaned the platform part and honestly it looks so much better, but just like this part is really hard to clean, and I even think I made this stain worse. So I need to clean those by the end of the day. And these jeans are so cute. These are my favorite jeans, but as you guys can tell right here, they got bleached. I literally just used a stain remover pen. I guess I added too much. I really want to bring these jeans because they say over there like baggy clothes is in, and it's not like I want to really like fit in with the crowd because I'm literally a tourist wearing thick eyelashes and I'm Mexican. Like, they're gonna know I'm not from there, but I honestly just want to embrace their street fashion. I'm always in like regular schmegular outfits, which is like cute because I'm always home and they're comfortable, but like now that I'm out and I'm going to Tokyo, I want to dress differently. I feel like one of my options is to dye these black. The only thing that I'm scared about that is that this gets really black. Like, you can still see the mark. I still need to figure my jeans out, but I really want to take those jeans. Wait, before I start, I forgot. Let me show you guys the inspo of what I'm going for. So I'm going for more like street fashion, loose clothes, warm clothes, because it's actually snowing right now in Kyoto, and that's the first place we're heading to is Kyoto. So I really want to be warm. That's why I'm bringing those Uggs. Layering is very important. Let me show you guys the purse I'm going to be bringing for sure. This is a Mexican designer called Unica. For the first time ever, I actually invested in packing cubes. So you put these in your luggage so you can stuff as many things as you want, and it like gets stuffed in a box or a little cube. Like, when I tell you, if you see my previous videos, I've only gone to like tropical places, and I feel like you aren't really like prepared to be doing things every single day, especially if you stay at a resort. All you have to worry about is bringing cute clothes. Because of that, I don't really worry like, oh, what am I gonna wear? Because I know I have time to wake up, start a slow morning, pick my outfit out with times, and then you just go to the beach. We have reservations every single day for Japan, so my outfit, I need to know exactly what I'm wearing, put it on, get ready, and we're out. I really want to pack this puffer jacket. I do feel like I should change my pants because I'm just wearing like pink pants. I'm not really gonna get the vision, you know. And then I am definitely bringing a scarf. Look at how thick this scarf is. It's from Uniqlo, and I want to wear it like, I'm already so soft. This is so cute. So this is the first way that I can wear it. What other way? Wear like this and it's also very warm. Okay, so I took a little break and I went to Ulta with my sister. I got a little overstimulated and frustrated with finding outfits. Anyways, let me give you guys a little haul of what I got. Just final things. I got pimple patches because I'm actually kind of breaking out. I'm gonna get my period over there, unfortunately. So before my period, I always break out. So I need some of those for a night. Then I got these press-on nails. These are so cute. So this is really perfect, and also I honestly do not have time to do my nails. I kind of wanted to do my nails over there. I would want to, but I feel like it's gonna take up a lot of time from our travel. I got this like gel manicure. I'm gonna open it and show it to you guys. I wanted to open it so bad. So they're gel polish, solid cream gel polish. Look how vibrant that is. My sister was like, this is gonna be a lot of work. I just got it because I love the colors. For another day. And then the last thing I got is this pressed powder. I got it because it's talc free. It's just translucent. I wanted one with color, but they didn't have any. I feel like the pressed powder is so much better for creases. Whenever I use this powder, I feel like my makeup still creases. This is a setting powder, and then the pressed powder going in with the pressed powder is so much better. Okay, but that's about it. I'm gonna start actually packing some outfits. Okay, this is outfit number 1. I would put mesh leggings or mesh tights underneath these. These are just like colored leggings, so I'm not so cold. But I don't know how I feel about this outfit. It's way too hot to be in all of this. I feel like this is cute because it's snowing over there, but I'm gonna look real dumb if it's not snowing. You know, I do think it's a little too much. I don't know. I feel like this is more practical. I do feel like this outfit would be cuter maybe with jeans. Like I can even pull it off with jeans. Okay, I was also thinking this maybe. Okay, I got it, guys. Approved by my mom. Two down. I'm so hot. I'm like turning red because I'm actually so hot. 2 outfits down, 1 more to go. I think like I just want 3 outfits for Kyoto because we're in Kyoto for 3 days and then the rest in Tokyo. And I'm not really too worried about Tokyo because I honestly feel like I'm gonna buy some stuff and find some stuff that I like. Look at my cat. She's so cute. I don't even want to move her. Guys, I found this really cute jean jacket. And I feel like I can pair it with a skirt. Okay, now this is like a different font, but same thing. Maybe like a black P-tech. Okay, this is the last outfit I'm gonna pack just because I'm really confident that I'm gonna find some other stuff that I like over there. These are the jeans that were stained, but my sister swears you can't even see the stain. I feel like I can see it 100%. Can you guys see it? But I'm in between these 2 shoes to walk in. These are just really dirty. I have not washed these in so long. These are really clean. But these are more like mom shoes. It's 11/11 Make-A-Wish. But yeah, I feel like these are more fashionable. They're just really dirty. These are very comfy though. But anyways, I'm gonna start packing everything now. I first just wanted to see the outfits, take a picture of them so like I know exactly what to wear and then pack. Wait, but I forgot I had this. It's just a women's size. It's not like the long ones. I've always wanted the oversized babe jackets, but this is what we have for now. I was actually wanting to replace this because I was kind of like, I want to wear more color, you know? I feel like all my outfits are kind of just like monotoned, like it's just 1 color or 2. I want to add colors. Fashion is really all about layers, about layering texture, layering color, making the outfit interesting. But yeah, this is everything. I have to shove everything into these packing cubes. Wish me luck. This is the biggest packing cube. I should have seen, like, should I bring my biggest jacket on the plane? I kind of want to. Okay, I just need to make these longer. Okay. Perfect. 1 jacket down. The rest are tiny, like, oh, I didn't think this through. Actually, I'm gonna wear this to the airport. Now I'm thinking like, what am I wearing to the airport? Because it's a 10-hour flight. I don't really know what goes with this. These sweats. Oh my god, yes. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm gonna pack this then and this in the packing cubes. Shirt's done. Look how cute my PJs are, all pink. Look at how funny my cat is. I thought maybe because I filled up the suitcase, she won't sit on it anymore. So cute. Cats are so funny. But guys, I'm done now. The only thing is that everyone and their moms say to literally pack super light because you're gonna go shopping over there. Usually I pack a check-in bag and a carry-on, so I fill them up, but I think I'm gonna go buy a carry-on over there because I need a carry-on. Mine is so bad, it always gets stuck, the zippers get stuck, so I am gonna just purchase a carry-on bag over there. I feel like it's also hard to pack light in the winter because coats are bigger. My scarf is super big, like that already took out a lot of space, but also because we're there for 9 days, I pack like 4 PJs, a lot of underwear, a lot of socks, you know, like stuff that you're not really guaranteed to buy over there. But I'll see you guys at the airport. Bye.